Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in VNS Finance. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in VNS Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the homepage of the VNS Finance. On the top navigation bar, you can see login option. Click on login. And here you have three different options to log in. Click on client login. Now it will lead you to a new tab. Here you have to type in your client ID and your password. So type in your client ID. Now type in your password. Here you have to select which year you are from. Here I am choosing 2024. Now you have to write the alphabet that is shown here. If you want to change your password, you can click on change password. And if you have forgot your password, you can click on this link and reset it. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in VNS Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.